activities in Korea, but after coming Malaysia and taking classes while using English in a new environment, I was able to improve my English skills, and it's good that I had a well experience.
I think it's very interesting because I can improve my cooperation and problem solving skills in the process of solving problems with my friends.
Think it is necessary for Korea in terms creative methods, which is good part of PBS.
As I shared my thoughts with my friends, I was able to cooperation.
I improved some skills how to solve problems, and I learned how to work out together with my team.
I improved my English speaking skills by presenting our board game project.
I learned about how to run the team, lead the team as the leader of the team. And I closed his people and I run global mind.
I was able to improve my English skills, and also I was able to gain confidence by speaking, language another than Korean.
I like the PBL that is centered on students, not teacher. Yeah.
I like the part when we try to gather and try to solve the problem, and while we solve the problem, if there's an error, we just all gather to get the errors. So that was very meaningful for me, and it was a very new experience for me.
Knowing how to find a way and getting used to it.
I like cooperation because I can increase my relationship with my friends by cooperating with them.
It is good that is freestyle class, not a cramming method.
Because I couldn't learn. Sorry. As I shared my thoughts with my friends,
Problem, and I'll do it again. Work hard to try to fix the errors, and during that, sorry.
It's
Becoming adept and
my cooperation and problem solving skills. By presenting, listen.
It is good that is free.
It was difficult to. Sorry. I could